What exactly is a prime number? You've probably heard the term in math class, but what does it really mean? In this video, we'll break it down in the simplest way possible. A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that has exactly two factors, 1 and itself. This means you can only divide it evenly by 1 and by the number itself. No other numbers work. Let's take the number 2. Can it be divided evenly by anything other than 1 and 2? Nope. That makes it a prime number. What about 3? Same thing. Only divisible evenly by 1 and 3. So 3 is also prime. Now look at 4. You can divide it evenly by 1, 2, and 4. That means it has more than two factors, so it's not prime. Some examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Here's something interesting. 2 is the only even prime number. Every other even number can be divided evenly by 2, which means they can't be prime. So, most prime numbers are odd. But not all odd numbers are prime. For example, 9 is odd, but you can divide it evenly by 3, so it's not prime. A factor is a number that divides evenly into another number. Prime numbers have exactly two factors, 1 and themselves. Numbers that have more than two factors are called composite numbers. Here's a quick way to remember. Prime numbers are the building blocks of all other numbers. Just like molecules are made of atoms, all whole numbers can be made by multiplying prime numbers together. This is called prime factorization. For example, the number 12 is not prime, but you can break it down into prime numbers, 2x2, x3. You might be wondering, why do prime numbers even matter? Well, they're not just for math tests. Prime numbers are used in computer security, like encryption, to keep data safe online. They're also important in coding, patterns, and even nature. Some patterns in nature, like spirals in sunflowers or pine cones, are linked to prime-related math. So how do you test if a number is prime? You can try dividing it by every number smaller than itself, but there's a quicker way. Only check up to the square root of the number. If no number divides it evenly, it's prime. Let's test 29. The square root of 29 is about 5.3. We check only numbers 2, 3, and 5. None divide evenly, so 29 is prime. To sum it up, a prime number has exactly two factors, 1 and itself. 2 is the only even prime number. Prime numbers are the building blocks of all numbers. They're important in math, science, and technology. Now that you know what prime numbers are, you'll start noticing them everywhere. In patterns, puzzles, and even the internet security systems. If you enjoyed this simple explanation, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-understand math videos.